Dear Patrick Habati, in today's site visit to the GGPS Basit Hill School, the primary purpose of this site visit was to accelerate overall project progress and initiate additional works, specifically the layout for a new septic tank for the existing two number of toilets. The previously constructed old septic tank was found to be defective, making the construction of a new one necessary. There are two layouts initiated in this site visit. Layout 1 is positioned adjacent to the existing toilets with a 7-foot offset maintained from the inner surface of the boundary wall, which has developed cracks over time. If approved by the senior management, this layout will effectively serve the existing two toilets, which are scheduled for rehabilitation. These layouts will be reviewed by the senior management for approval before granting the contractor the go-ahead. Dimensions of septic tank would be 8 feet 9 inches by 5 feet 8 inches in accordance with standards. Layout 2 is located near the grey structure of existing toilets 3 and 4 with a 3-foot offset maintained from the boundary wall to ensure structural safety and optimize passage space utilization. Along with this activity, the subsequent activities would be the construction of socket pit and to initiate dismantling of the cracked portion of the boundary wall and subsequently reconstruct it in upcoming weeks in scope of rehabilitation. I hope you like this progress video and will bring plenty of more. For this time, take care.